Hi, welcome to Simply HR channel. In the last session, we were discussing about various steps involved in the selection process, employee selection process. So, in this session, the first step, every step we are going to discuss in detail in further sessions. So, in this step, we are going to check on what is the concept of screening or pre-selection tools. So there are generally three tools which are applied for preliminary screening. Otherwise they are called pre-selection tools. They are application blank, resume scanning, weighted application blank. See, first one of them is application blank, which we already discussed during the past session. That is the pre-printed employee profile template supplied by the respective company. So everywhere there are certain requirements of the company with specific reference to the particular organization, particular profile, particular brand, whatever, with the computer technology based background. So in a corporate or a company where you are going to join, they will have infrastructure of information technology embedded to all the departments, isn't it? So once you step into the security entry gate and punch in, from the day one till you get separated by retirement or resignation, whatever happens with reference to your movement, your productivity, your presence or absence, whatever, are linked to all the departments, especially the HR department, your own HOD, or the department in which you are directly employed, and the relative departments where you have got additional projects, and the payment section, salary section, the appraisal section, the training section, incentive section, increment section, bonus, provident fund, employee state insurance. So with reference to all these aspects, there will be divisions working under the HR department, isn't it? So all of them should be notified with your details, because everything is connected to your presence and absence for a particular day, particular month, for a particular period. So in that case, we need to report everywhere. So foreseeing these things only, the application blank is given on the day one of your selection itself. So once you are confirmed to get the first entry point of selection process, you are actually getting this template given by the company, in which the company's logo, the application blank's first page will look like a letterhead of the organization. That means the entire logo of the organization will be printed on top of the first page, and there onwards you will be asked to give your details specific to your reference, like name, age, and all this, and the required data, questions or items will be printed. Your specific data should be filled in by your own effort. Sometimes this application blank is going to be a hard copy, or it can also be a computer sheet, in which, like Google Sheet, in which you are supposed to fill in the specific data and submit it. So this is one screening tool or pre-selection tool. At this stage also, as we discussed in the steps involved in selection process, there are possibilities for you to get a rejection. That means after getting the application blank filled in by you, the HR department may reject you. Why? There are possibilities for rejections if in case you have not filled the required essential data columns, or it is very obvious that you have given a wrong data or wrong detail comparing to your resume to application blank. If your data is not congruent with each other, then definitely there is a possibility for a rejection. That's why it's called a pre-selection tool. You are not selected, but you are supposed to get selected if you get through all the stages of selection. That's how the application blank helps the organization. The next tool which we are using at screening level is resume scanning. This can be this can be a process wherein your hard copy resume is converted into electronic format. Resume scanning is a process where employers convert hard copy resumes into electronic resumes via a scanner. Yes, computer infrastructure will be having a scanner, resume scanner. You are supposed to insert your hard copy resume and get the resume scanned by the electronic device, that is HRIS or HRMIS, a software or a program that is embedded in the information technology system of the organization. That's how the resume scanning is also a pre-selection tool wherein your hard copy is converted to electronic format. Here also the scanner will have a program or command saying if the application is not filled in thoroughly or without any blank or vital data not available while scanning, means the scanner can reject your application. So there is a possibility for even by resume scanning you may get rejection. Then the third tool which we are using is weighted application blank, WAB, WAB, which is a holistic coverage of information. Every information collected or assigned with weights or scores. Minimum acceptable weight or score will be assigned for each position as a basis for recruitment. So now what happens with weighted application blank, each and every question asked in the application blank is not just an information, it is a score basis. You will get a score accumulated end of the application. That's how every item that you are giving with reference to your specific relation, you will be giving data, and each data that you give as input will get a score added to the previous one. Likewise, end of the application blank, that weighted application blank, your score, accumulated score will be the parameter on which you are selected or not for further selection process. Am I clear? That is how this weighted application blank is somewhat an advanced tool wherein your selection to 10 to 20% is decided with the WAB itself, weighted application blank itself. And in this, if you got through, then only you will be put across for all other further stages which we already discussed. So that's how the weighted application blank helps. This weighted score depends upon the profile that you apply, the levels that you are going to be posted if you are selected, and location, the gender, whatever can be a specific information about you can give a raise in a score or a decrement in a score. That is how the weighted application blank is actually a composite tool of scoring also. With this, let me conclude this session. Thank you.